Hi everyone. Right, this is the Windermere Way. I'm at Bowness at the minute, just being dropped off by the wife and walking up to Brantfell, and I'm going to do the Windermere Way clockwise, hopefully a little wild camp at Loughrigg. Not sure whether I'll go on the fell or the tarn yet, see how far I get round. It's about 44 miles in total, so Loughrigg's maybe it's about 30 miles away, so I'll do a long first day and a shorter second day. That's the plan anyway. Right, see you in a bit. Tough little climb out of Bowness there, but straight away presented with amazing views. Stunning. It's going to be awesome this if the weather holds off. Rain is forecast, but just showers, so we'll see how we get on.
Now it's all ashes. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You already took all the best of me. Is it enough finally? Give it all up, set me free. You know the one day I will.
Cheeky little tarn here, podnet tarn apparently. There's not much about here. About 3 miles into the fast hike. Yeah, it's been alright. Very up and down, mainly through farmer fields. Haven't actually seen the lake for quite some time. I'm sure I'll get back to it. So according to my map on my watch, I should be on High Moor How. However, the route went straight through someone's garden, and when I got there, there's big signs up saying no public access, no right of way. So I didn't want to be a twat about it, so I've come back down to the road, and I'm just going to walk around, then try and join the way in a little bit. So yeah, it was a bit weird. I just downloaded the map off someone's blog, so I don't know if he's just gone a bit wrong or they've put signs up that they shouldn't have. Anyway, no big deal. I know roughly where I'm going. Well, at the end of the day, you just keep the lake to the right hand side, don't you? Then you'll get round, so I'm not overly worried. It started raining. Just spitting on, not too bad. I expected this. It was meant to be either sunshine or showers all day, so I'm prepared. Got the nature hike poncho on. Classy, innit? It looks awful, but does its job. When you're fast packing, you have to try and get items that do more than one thing. Like to save space basically, so I've only got a 35 litre backpack on us. So this poncho keeps me dry, keeps my backpack dry. It'll also be a ground sheet for the vestibule when I'm camping tonight, and it'll also be like a picnic blanket for when I'm hopefully chilling out in some nice weather later on. So it's got loads of little sort of variations you can use it for. Pretty good actually, like on velcros, and at the ends there's tent peg holes as well, so you can do a lot with it. You can like make a tarp and all that sort of stuff. Just I think it was like 15-16 quid off AliExpress, so you know it's not going to last forever, but it should be alright for this summer. Right, I'll crack on down this road, see where I get to.
Come back tomorrow. You know it's not enough that I can make you laugh. Why try try to borrow even more time you never have. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop, slide down the rooftop. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. You'd have to rebuild me from the ground up, from the ground up. There's always something, and I can try to change, but you want something else. Why cut off your...
Hey folks, 15 miles in, and this is the first time I've touched the water. Morning, day 2. It's about 5:45 I think. I'm at Betham Tarn. That's where I camped last night, well, in a little nature reserve, wooded area near it anyway. Man, I had a nightmare yesterday, like rained on and off all day, which I expected. But the actual route, a lot harder than I thought. I got nowhere near Loughrig, like it was 4 miles short of it. So when it got to about 6 o'clock, I knew there was no way I could get there while it was still light. So I started looking for a new pitch. There wasn't much about really where I was like down on the lakeside. There was a few wooded areas. And about 7:30 I thought I'd found a perfect pitch. It's just about to set up. Then I saw like a little tarn, that Betham Tarn over there. So I was like, oh, that'll be better. It's not that far away. So I set off towards that. And the tarn wasn't that far away. You just couldn't get to it. Farmer barbed wire fences all over the joint. So you had to do like a big massive loop of the tarn to get down to it. And anyway, when I got there, there's like a couple of farmer houses, like the view of the tarn. I just didn't fancy it. So I went into like some woods nearby. Got a fairly flat pitch, not too bad. But that was about 9 o'clock and I was beat. So I just went straight to bed, no food and out. It rained all night, woke up this morning, like everywhere's soaking, all my gear's wet, so it's just like, there's no point getting the stove out now to make some brekkie. So I'm about 4 miles away from Ambleside, so I'm just going to walk into Ambleside, grab some food, then carry on down to Bowness. I am a bit gutted actually. Wanted to do all like the wild camping stuff at Loughrig, do, you know, like the time lapse setting up the tent with the sun coming down and like doing some like showing off our dehydrated foods, but that wasn't to be. But man, this is a YouTube fail, but it's definitely a good training session for my ultra next month. Like really good. I didn't think it was going to be that hard. This on the map it just looked like a bit of lakeside, went up in the hills a bit, but like nothing too major. And like the highest heights isn't that high, but you're just up and down all the time, never ends. Like even like you think you're in the woods and it'll just be like straight forward. It's not. It takes you up bloody the top of the hill, brings you down, takes you back up. Nightmare. But I've learned some stuff, I think. Definitely learned that the Lanchan doesn't pitch well on long bouncy grass. That's alright. I think I'll go up here. I'll bring you back in a bit.
I'm gonna stay out in the cold. Gonna burn out slowly with my silver and gold. Turn my life into
So
a
this seems
circus.
like a nice spot to end the video. Maybe it's 4 or 5 miles away from Bowness, but mainly just going to be along the road, so there's not much to see. Man, just I apologise for this video, even though you don't know what I had in my mind. I had great plans. It's going to be an awesome video showcasing a bit of fast packing around the Windermere Way and like a badass wild camp at Loughrig. None of that happened, none of it, but you learn more from your failures, I guess. Disappointing, but still good training, still good views, and any time spent in the Lake District is time well spent, even though I'm a bit damp. So thanks for watching this disaster video, and hopefully I can make better ones going forward. Bye.
Stay. Don't let them fool you. Just a trick of the trade. Yeah, they'll keep you busy while it fades away.